Hey everyone, in November we covered ARPG style portal effect, ideally from the top-down perspective, and this will be a two-part tutorial. I'll guide you through the process from the scratch. In part 1 we will build a static portal from scratch, and in part 2 we will focus on implementing dynamic opening and closing effect using blueprint input, allowing you to control the portal duration. Okay, so that'll be tier 1 on 1mafx.com. On tier 2 we are finally starting our fire workshop, and we'll be creating this campfire effect, and this will be two-part series as well. In part 1 we will focus on creating a realistic fire simulation with smoke, which we will export as a flipbook containing separate maps for emissions, smoke and scattering. And in part 2 we will improve effect by adding a detailed burning wood mesh, as you can see there on the bottom, with some vertex color driven burning effect. We will conclude by optimizing the entire setup to minimize overdraw. Let me actually show you. Okay, as you can see, it doesn't produce too much, which I think it's okay. And we're gonna have a full control over the smoke, fire, and some sparks as well. And November content is coming a bit late. I've been sick in the past week, and it should be available within a week from publishing this video. Apologies for posting it so late, but my voice was not 100% at the time. Alright, so I hope you're gonna enjoy this content. I like both of them, to be honest. I'm very excited that we're actually diving into the fire now, because that's gonna open a lot of opportunities for us to create some stuff in the next step. All right, also the portal, I think looks pretty cool. We got this nice wind blasting backwards as well, together with some of those effects, and I think there's a lot of opportunity to change its color, maybe add some additional elements or improve it overall. But this month I believe we're gonna have a nice starting point, and we're gonna make it a bit more dynamic in next month with the opening and closing of that portal. All right, thank you so much for your support.